Hey guys, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and I appreciate you guys taking my wife's call earlier. I don't want to take too much of your time. Honestly, I just want to break down some tips and tricks and show you exactly how to become more relevant online and how to increase your online presence just all together, okay? Now, you're probably wondering why I would even make a video like this for you. And if I'm completely honest with you, most restoration companies and their owners are just way too busy, dealing with the day-to-day to really realize how much more of that business the internet can bring them, specifically Google. Okay, so I'm just going to break these things down for you. The three things that we're going to talk about today is going to be content. Secondly, we're going to talk about backlinks. And then lastly, we're going to break down what citations are, okay? Now, just first things first, just kind of navigating through your website. I do want to say that it's actually a really, really good website. I didn't have any problems just kind of navigating it even before I started this call. It's actually a really, really well made website. Okay. Unfortunately, though, Google cares more about content than how good a website is. You know what I mean? They want to see words on your page, and they want it to be relevant to what you do, right? Or to what your business is, right? So if I were to highlight all of your content here, and if I were to copy it and put it in my, let's see, put it here into my word counter, it'll show me that you have 417 417 words. Google counts an authoritative website to have anywhere between 1,500 and 2,000 words, okay, total. Even if you wanted to just push over that 1,000 word mark, that would greatly increase your visibility, okay? Now, let's see, if you wanted to add keywords as well, right, local to your area, like the way I found you guys, restoration services, Berkeley, California, or restoration companies, Berkeley, California, fire damage, Berkeley, California, things like that, and just sprinkle them around on the web page here. That would greatly increase your visibility, okay? And it would allow your potential clients to find you better, okay? Now, secondly, we're going to talk about backlinks, okay, and referring domains. And I went on ahead and typed your URL here into my tool. Okay, this tool is called Ahrefs. Okay, now Ahrefs is a paid tool. Obviously, I am in the industry, but there are plenty of free tools out there that you can use just by doing keyword researcher for free or backlink checker for free, things like that, and you can kind of see what I see here. Okay, and what Ahrefs does is kind of peels back the curtain and it kind of shows me kind of what's going on in the background of your website. Just kind of shows me some stats and things like that. Okay. So according to my tool here, okay, and this is all an average, all right, you can see here that you have 5 referring domains and 11 backlinks, okay? So what this means is that you have 5 different websites that are pushing traffic to you, and they're doing so 11 times total, okay? And then you have 0 organic keywords, and you have roughly on average 0 people visiting your website per month, okay? Now I did the same thing to your competitors, okay? They're number 1 here in the map pack, and then they're also right behind ServiceMaster, okay, which is a franchise. All right, now as you can see here, your competitors have 15 referring domains, which is so let's see, 10 more than yours, and they're pushing traffic to their website 121 times. They have 9 keywords, bringing them a total of 1 person extra, right, visiting their website. They're still not getting them as much traffic value, but check this out, okay? If you wanted more traffic value, okay, grab these guys' referring domains and their backlinks and use them as yours, okay? See, as you can see here, they're getting most of their power from movezu.com. You see, so Google wants to see that you have, other websites that are related to what you do, pushing traffic to you. So as you can see here, damagerestorers.com. You've got something out of Oakland, California business, things like that. That would greatly increase your visibility, okay? So if you wanted to grab these all for yourself, you could rank number 1 and you'd be getting all the calls, right? You'd be getting most of the traffic going to your website, right? You'd be getting potential clients, essentially more money in your pocket, okay? Let's see. Now, the last thing I want to talk to you about today are citations. Okay, now citations are just anywhere that your business can be found in a directory. Okay, and a directory is basically, let's see, right off the top of my head, it could be Yellow Pages, White Pages, Angie's List, Home Advisor. You've got Yelp. Just right off the top of my head, those 5 different directories. If you were to put your business in those 5 directories, that would build your citation list. Okay, now you would want to put your address, your phone number, and obviously your business name, right, into those directories. And that would increase your citation list, and you could take this #1 spot here in front of Bears Restoration. But obviously, those aren't the only directories that you need to put your business on. You want to look for local directories as well, like the Berkeley Chamber of Commerce, things like that. And that would help you get basically more popular on Google, right? And if I'm completely honest with you, this is where most of the traffic goes, right? I don't know if you're like me, but I don't go down here to the 3rd or 4th page of Google trying to find what I'm looking for, right? I usually trust the map pack, and it doesn't matter where you are in Berkeley. This is the best part, okay? If you have more citations than your competitors here, so say if these guys had, I don't know, anywhere between 50 to 100 different citations, I would want to one-up them and ensure that I have like 150 or 200, so I can constantly maintain this #1 spot, regardless of wherever your client or your potential client is in Berkeley, California. You'd get this #1 spot here no matter what, okay? Because your business is found in more directories than your competitors, okay? Now, with that being said, there's 2 options that you can take, right? You're probably wondering where to go from here, right? So the first option is to take all this information and utilize it for your business, right? Ensuring that you have more content, ensuring that you're up to at least 1,000 words just to get that started, right? To ensure that you're more visible. And also getting your backlinks from your competitors, right, to ensure that you're able to rank on the first page of Google. And then lastly, looking up where your competitors are getting their citations from so that you can take this #1 spot here, okay? Now, if you're going to go for the second option, if you're looking to outsource some help in any way, you could definitely reach out to me, especially now that we're headed towards a recession. You want a constant influx of customers. You constantly want those phones ringing so you can keep your guys busy. I could definitely guide you. If I do work with restoration companies all over the U.S., so if that's something that you're interested in, you could definitely reach out to me, and I can see what I can do to help you. Okay. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you guys talking to my wife earlier, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.